Hello gems, my name is Bushnell. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stayed long enough to subscribe. I talk about femininity, personal development, and mindset. If you're already part of the tribe, welcome back. It doesn't have to be awkward when you're around high-class people, and that's why I'm making this video today. Let's talk about being around high-class people, just how to associate and how to mingle when around them. So get something to drink, get comfortable, grab something to write with, and let's talk about this. The first thing to note is do not name drop or brag. It is so obvious when you're name dropping. High class people do not have a sense or a need to show off that they know so and so. They already know that they do that, so there's no need to show it off. Also, bragging, they know they already have the money and that they can tell if you do or do not. So you bragging just proves a point that you're not new to this. To them, having gone to yachts or traveling the world is something normal. So you bragging that you've gone to places and done some things shows that this is not natural for you. The second thing is have conversational skills. So obviously listen more than you speak. This gives you an opportunity, gives you an opportunity to understand them more, and even it shows that you're interested in them. Ask relevant questions. Do not ask questions like how much money do you make or what do you do for a living. Instead, ask questions like why are you interested in this, or how do you know the host if you guys have been invited to a party, or what draws you, or what do you think about this current or the other current situation. Also, have a little bit of mystery when you're talking. Do not spill everything about yourself, things about your family, embarrassing things. Don't even say things like, excuse me, I need to go pee. Just excuse yourself, period. Also, in this, you have to learn how to introduce yourself. Do not just say, hi, my name is this, and this is what I do, and this and that. Have a way of introducing yourself that is interesting. So how do you introduce yourself? The first 10 seconds are very important. The third thing is etiquette and manners. Here we can see it by being kind. Will you be kind to the waiters? Will you be kind to the people around you, the valet, the guy who's packing your stuff? Will you be kind to them? Will you treat them with kindness? Also, do you have basic dining etiquette? When you're eating at a restaurant, do you know which fork is for the salad? Do you know where to put your napkin? Will you wait for a man to pull his chair for you? Also, you should know who to greet first. Is it the man or the woman? Or how to introduce people you've come with. Should you introduce the person who brought you to the event or the person you came with first? So there are a lot of things to learning based on dining etiquette and even social etiquette. The fourth thing is confidence. How to have confidence around high society people is know that they're humans like you. Know that they do think the same things you do, just with more money and more luxury probably. But they do the same things you do. They cry, they eat, they use the washrooms. So understanding that they're just humans is key and important. Understanding that they also have insecurities as well is understandable. Also, know your value. If you know you're worth something, if you know there's something you bring to the table and you can contribute to them, then you should be having confidence. So if you know your value, if you know your self-worth, it will be easy to have confidence and navigate towards them. If you know you're beautiful and you know you have the etiquette and manners and conversational skills, then you'll float around the room of high society people and you know you'll be so confident. The fifth thing is be well educated. Well, this has things to do with things like knowing current affairs. Is Russia still fighting Ukraine? Is Trump going to be eligible to vie for presidency? Is etc. Is Sudan still fighting? So those are some of the things that are happening currently as I'm making this video. Do you know those things? Do you know the current things that are happening as you hang around your high society friends or people? Also know things that they're interested in. For example, there are sports that high society people are interested in, mainly, for example, golfing and things to do with polo. So understand what's happening there, events, charity things, people that they know, people that they're interested in, humanitarian actions. Find out more about those things and have something to talk about that they will understand, that you guys can also have a connection to, a connection with as well. Finally, I couldn't finish this video without saying your appearance. It doesn't mean just because you're around high society people that you have to put on designer items that with logos shouting Gucci, Louis Vuitton, but you can wear statement pieces that are honestly from thrift shops but are well maintained and are good quality. And knowing also how to dress for the occasion, you wouldn't wear jeans and a t-shirt to the opera or to the orchestra. You'll dress appropriately in materials that show that you are part of them. So the materials like cheap like polyester. Polyester is just not a material to wear around high class people. Also, when it comes to accessories, you do not have to wear a big bag. In fact, clutches are the best, or no bag at all. I watched a small snippet of the series Succession, and one of the very wealthy men saw a broke lady with a Bottega Veneta bag, and he was like, really, she's so poor. Even though it was a Bottega Veneta bag, the bag was so big that that man just immediately thought of her as a poor woman, and which it's true, she was actually not of their class. Also, accessories like dainty jewelry, watches, dainty earrings is also key and important. Your skin as well. If your skin has acne, if your skin looks awful, if your teeth is discolored, then they will know. This will disqualify you, and it will also make you lose your confidence around high class people. High class people put so much effort into their skin and to how they appear because they know that they are judged on their appearance, and it will affect business deals, it will affect connections and networking as well. Well, ladies, those were my 6 pointers on how to mingle and be around the high class people. Let me know some of the other things that